Okay, so if you're on the fence about buying a PS5 discless digital edition or a disc edition, then you don't really need to decide right now, because you can buy these for about the same as the price difference. And this is the disc, so supposedly this is quite easy to install. So let's see how we can create a disc edition from our discless. So I was more on like the discless edition as well, because I don't really like those boxes of games. I just like to keep everything on my PlayStation itself. But for some of the games, it's just a lot more expensive to buy them digital from the PlayStation Store, as they are in some stores. And especially if you buy like secondhand games, of course. So, here are the pointy things that came with my PlayStation itself as well. And then let's see what we have here. Here's the... Okay. Ooh, a disk drive. And then the disk plate. So this supposedly goes on top of this or the other side. Let's see how that works. I hope we get a little manual with it. Yes, we do. So that's the box. Here's the manual with the disk drive instructions. Okay, so the first instructions are go to the control center and turn it off. Then remove the power cord. We already did that. Bottom facing up and remove the feet. So we have our little feet here. So let's pull those out. Oh, and these are larger feet. So I think that's for the disc, that they have larger feet included with the set. So I have the smaller feet with the discless edition. Slightly lift the cover away from the console to detach its clips. Looking at me from this side, so we should be able to lift it. Whoop, yeah, so that came off. And then we have a little insert right here. So I think that's where the disc will go. Let's see if that is the case. I think this should be idiot-proof enough to do. I like the disc drive clips with the two holes. Yeah, so here's like the connector on the disc itself. I like the clips with the two holes. So I should clip this in on this side first. Firmly push until you hear a click. Okay, so now it's clicked into place. Then let's put this on. Okay, so with 1-2 clicks, that's already in there, and then attach the new feet. So that's a little more clearance, I think. And then we have our new PlayStation Disc Edition. Turn on the power and you're done. So very cool. This is how you later turn your PS5 discless into a disc edition. So if you're on the fence about buying one or the other, then know that you can always change this in just like a couple of minutes. We've been doing this video for 5 minutes, so in 5 minutes you have changed your discless into a disc edition. So I hope this video has helped you make your choice.